Hello students, welcome to Uptree Technologies, Steps Towards a Digital Environment. In previous session, we have made one program on value comparison. In this session, we'll make one game which is math race game. In this game, we'll apply the concepts of value comparison which we have learned in previous session. So let's start our programming. First, I will choose a backdrop. I will take this backdrop. Since it's a game, so we need one track. I'm gonna delete this sprite. I will choose one sprite here. Now I will choose a car. So I will type here car. So this is 2 car. I will put it here. Then I will select one more. Just put it here. Now I will create a finish line. So for that I will go to backdrops, click on backdrops, select line and draw a line. You can see this is my finish line. Now coming to the code part. Here I will go to events block and take this event when flag clicked. Now I need to create 2 variables. So I will go to variables, click on make a variable, and my first variable will be first number. Okay, I will create one more, second number. Click on OK. I will make this invisible. Now I will go to controls block and take this command forever, because we need forever execution of the set of commands until and unless any one of these 2 car touches this finish line. So for that we need this forever command. Now I will go to this variables block and take this command. Set first number to, then I will go to operators and select this. Here I want a system driven number that will be randomly changing. That's why I took this command, pick random 1 to 10. So whatever the random number we will get, it will be stored in first number. Similarly, we'll do for second number. Click here, choose second number, go to operators, take this command, put it here. Now I will ask user to input I will ask user for its input. So I'll go to sensing block, take this command. Now here I will display some message on screen. So I will go to this operators block, take this command join. First I want to show the variable which is first number. Then I want one more join. Second we'll type plus and then the second number. So the message that will be displayed on screen will be first number plus second number, and it will ask for user input. After getting the user input, we need to verify that whether the answer is correct or not. Just to check the condition, we'll go to control block, take this command if then else. Here we want to check that whether the user's input is correct or not. So we'll go to operators block, take this command and paste it here. Since we are adding, so we need this add operator also. And we are adding first number and second number. If this first number and second number will be equal to answer, then do what? Do broadcasting. So I'll go to events block, take this command, write answer. And display a message, right answer. Similarly, we'll take one more broadcast. Click on message and type message. Wrong answer. Click on OK. So, if your input is right, then right answer will be broadcast. If it is wrong, then wrong answer will be broadcast. Now go to this first car. I am choosing this first car as wrong answer. So when I receive wrong answer, then go to looks block and say that your answer is wrong. Go to motion block and move 50 steps. And if your car will touch the line, so here we'll make one condition that if your car will touch this line color, then you will lose. So if touching this line color, so I will pick the line color of this finish line like this. So if touching this finish line color, then display you lose, and we'll stop the game here. So we'll take this command. I will copy this set of command and paste it in this second car. So here I will change this wrong answer to right answer. If your answer is right, then move 50 steps and say you win. So here we have completed our coding. Now let's run this program. I'll go to full screen mode, then click flag. So 10 plus 4, it's 14. Your answer is right. See, 7 plus 10, it's 17. Your answer is right. My green car is moving. 9 plus 3, I am putting here wrong answer. So 1. Your answer is wrong. Blue car is moving. 6 plus 8. Again wrong answer. Blue car is moving. Then 8 plus 5. Again wrong answer. Here just about to touch this line. So 2 plus 7. I am again putting a wrong answer. You lose. Thanks for watching this video.